pays you a minimum of around $22 per hour. Like the last time I checked, they pay around $22 per hour, but you could get paid more. And this particular website focuses more on elderly people, the elderly, the aged, or people with disabilities and every other kinds of things. So they focus on those kind of people more. So hi everyone, welcome back to Nextlands, and of course I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf. Now today we're going to be talking about something very easy, very straightforward. We're going to be talking about how you can make up to $100 online daily simply talking to lonely people, and of course just becoming a virtual friend. You know how you could become a virtual friend with someone and still make up to $100 every day. Now don't take my word for it, come with me, let's go ahead and do this. Let me show you how it's been done. Okay, but first, before we get right into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, and of course give this video a thumbs up if you love and enjoy this and you want it to keep coming. If you're watching this video from maybe from Facebook or Twitter or any of, just click follow our channel so you can keep getting our video update. Now let's get right into this. We're going to be talking about 5 different websites, guys. Now the number one website we're going to be talking about today is Rent a Cyber Friend. Okay, this website is simply pretty easy. Let's go over, come right here, let's see it. Okay, you are here, right? Rent a Friend. All you have to do is come over to Rent a Friend, create an account, click get started for free, create an account, and of course get started. And don't forget, every of this website has the video options, the chatting options, and of course the just calling options. Okay, and they've got various payment platform. Of course, it's like you can see right here, this says $0.01 per minute. Every first minute is for free. Of course, if you're going to talk to someone online, I mean, the person has to first hear your voice, see if they're willing to want to continue talking to you. That's how Rent a Cyber Friend works. The person has to hear your voice, see if they're willing to keep talking to you first before you start. They start getting charged for talking to you. Okay, we kind of make this whole thing a little bit easier. Okay, now let's go. See here, it says get the most out of Rent a Cyber Friend. Now we've got the video calling, make it real, connect with great quality video calls instantly, search based on your interest, connect with real people for friendship and professional growth. Okay, follow your favorite. Of course, you could follow your favorite if they are online. Now it's always private, of course. Now this is it, it's always private. And of course, you could take more measures to keeping yourself private also. Then your conversations are secure with end-to-end encryption. Of course, those are like the new age. Now PayPal means, like I show you earlier, connect for as low as 0.10. This is 0.10 cents. This is 10 cents per minute, and every first minute is always free. Okay, now fast and secure, pay securely, tip your favorite friends and everything. Now if we're going to be calculating this 0.10, which is 0.1, or that's 10 cents per minute, then that means if you're talking to someone for 10 minutes, you're making $1. Now if you're talking to someone for an hour, guess what? That means you make like $6 per hour. And this is like the minimum. I mean, this is like the minimum that this particular website are paying. You could have someone, once they talk to you for the first time and they love it, then you could start charging them a particular fixed price. Okay, that's how this works. Now if you want to get started with Rent a Cyber Friend, just go to their website. I'm going to put in the link in the description below and click get started for free. And don't worry, they pay with PayPal. Okay, now the next one of today is, of course, Flirtbucks. Now this is a particular website that works for a whole lot of people. Okay, now before you get started with this website, I'm going to tell you 1 or 2 things about this website. First, I'm going to say this website is most best for ladies. Okay, it's like it suits ladies the best, but as a guy you're also welcome. Okay, however, it's most suited for ladies. Why? Because most of the people who come to this platform to look for friends really want friends they can share a lot of passion personal things with, and most of them, like, they've got 70%. Guys, don't take my word for it, go ahead to the website and you can get started with it. Now let's go over and see how it works. Now this is Flirtbucks. As you can see, the application process, you just have to put in your first name, last name, password, your email, date of birth, of course confirm your password, and then your address, your country, your region, your city, your postal code, and of course choose the payment platform you want. Is it by check or by PayPal? I recommend you go by PayPal as always. Okay, and in this particular website, come right here, you can see it says program features. You can always set your own hours, work from the comfort of your home. Of course, that's what a lot of people are looking for. Get paid by check or PayPal. Nah, no upfront fees or investment. Yeah, every website doesn't really have every other website don't have an upfront fee. All you just have to do is to register, get started, set your fee, and that's it for Flirtbucks. Okay, now let's go for the third one. Now this third one is also tricky. Right here we've got Chatrecruit. Now Chatrecruit is pretty easy, okay? When it comes to registration process and everything, it's pretty easy. However, like I said earlier, it also has its own downside. And I'm going to say this before we get right into it, because now this has to do with a lot of calls. They deal with the video calls, and they deal with every other kinds of calls also, not only videos. They deal with the mobile calls, the having regular conversations and everything. They deal with psychic chats and every other thing. Come over, let's see. Don't take my word for it. Now you can see right here it says Chatrecruit, and with the words Patreon service for adults and psychic chat hosts. As you can see, you get a $10 bonus on your first payday. Now that's cool, isn't it? And you can see right here they've got the webcam jobs, they've got the phone chat line jobs, they've got the psychic chat jobs, they've got the babe channel jobs. Now this babe channel job, I'm not going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about another day, but I'm pretty guessing that a lot of you know what this entails, right? I've got the fan page also. So if you are some sort of celebrity, you've got a large fan following, then well, you could set this up. Now the blog. Okay, so this is pretty how you get started. Why choose Chatrecruit? They don't need an experience, of course. No joining fees, of course. And on your own time. Yeah, and of course you get a pretty $10 bonus on your first payday. And as you can see right here, they've paid over $30 million to their chat host. You simply have to just chat with people, right? People come here, look at your profile, they simply click they want to chat or talk with you through chat, through online on the phone, or simply or video conversations, and you guys simply get started and you keep getting paid. That's just how it is right here. We've got two more to go. The next on the list is rent a local friend. Now this is pretty easy, however, it's got its own downside. Now the downside of rent a local friend is that they want people in their localization, okay? So if you're staying in the United States or you're staying in Florida, for example, they want friends from Florida. You don't have to be in the same vicinity, okay? But you have to be in the same state. So that's the only downside to this. So if you want to get to talk to people in another country or something, then guys, don't forget you've got to use a VPN. Nah, I didn't teach you that. Now let's go straight into this. So rent a friend is simply easy. You simply choose how you want to work, and you simply create an account, become a local friend, and you're good to go. Now the last but not the least on this list, the reason why I'm putting this last is because of this specific reason. One, because if you're going to make lots of money on this particular account, then you have to either be in the United States or in the UK. I think UK most. Okay, now this particular website is called the PapaPow. Okay, now PapaPow pays you a minimum of around $22 per hour. Like the last time I checked, they pay around $22 per hour, but you could get paid more. And this particular website focuses more on elderly people, the elderly, the aged, or people with disabilities and every other kinds of things. So they focus on those kind of people more. And because they focus on this kind of people, this puts them in the position whereby they need people who are always, or most likely, always on ground. So you might get a call from your friend or your companion or your stranger you're talking to online saying, hey, are you around? Can you just pick something up for me at the local store and bring it down to my? Of course they're going to pay the actual amount. If you're charging them $50 per hour, they're going to pay you $50 if you're to go to the local store to get this particular thing for them and bring it down to their house or their doorstep, something like that. You're going to get paid, and of course you're going to get paid for your transport or something down to the store, and of course pay for whatever it is you're getting for them also. But the only downside is that you most likely have to be in the United States or UK. Now, if you enjoyed today's video and you know you're going to start making money on it, or you've got any questions so far, put it in the chat below, send me a comment, and I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, and of course this gives this video a thumbs up, and it's an encouragement for me, so I'm going to keep dropping more videos. Don't forget that I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf, and I'm going to see you again soon. Bye bye.